Need to fix Gmail not receiving email? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to your application Gmail. Make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Now click on this three horizontal line at the top left corner. Scroll down and move into spam. Sometimes you might be also receiving the email and it's stored on spam. Check if the email is available or not. After that, swipe down the screen from top right corner and remove Do Not Disturb mode. This will help you to get notified with all the notifications. After that, move into App Store. Here in the search bar, search for the application Gmail. Move into this app right here. If the option of update is available, then tap on update and update the app. After that, move into settings. Inside settings, move into general. Head over to iPhone storage. Now search for the application Gmail. Tap on Offload app and once again click on Offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should definitely fix the issue that you have been facing and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.